Hello everyone, Justin here, and today let's draw something really easy, the Ninja Fortnite logo. So let's start by drawing the side of the head with a slightly angled line, and do the same thing on the other side, right about here, angling in. And then we're going to imagine a short line that goes right here and connect the sides to that short line. And let's go ahead and do the bottom line right now, and then connect the final side. Okay, so at this point what we'll do is we'll go ahead and draw a curved line that goes across. We'll step down a little bit here first and go across to the other side with a nice even curve. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing here, going across, but we're going to stop right here first, go across, stop, and then we're going to do like a Nike curve, basically going down and then over. So from here, go down and over. We'll continue this line up to about here, continuing the curve right about there, and we can of course clean up our curves and our lines later as needed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start way up here, right about here, and we're going to curve down over up to about here. So let's start here, go down, start curving in, and stop. So let's finish this part here. Let's curve out first, stop there, and then another curved line this way to connect our initial line here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw a line from here to here. Okay, and then another one here, pretty far down. We're going to go back up, not quite as far as that line, and then now we're going to go all the way back down to this point. So let's go down. So next what we're going to do is let's draw the right side of the head. We'll go ahead and go this way up to about here. So let's just draw it from this point down to the bottom and draw a short line from this tip here, and we're gonna go back up to here. So let's just go up, kind of following these curves. See how this curve is following right or pretty much the same kind of line, kind of parallel. So we're gonna go down, stop about halfway, and go back up, and then finally down to this line. So all of this is going to be black, and same thing with the ties for his headband, which we're going to draw next. So from here, let's just go draw a curve going out, stop, draw a perpendicular line for the end of the tie, and back in so that you have a slight taper. And we'll draw another one down here, but it's going to be shorter. Draw out, shorter, and this time the end will angle this way, and then back to the side of the head. Okay, so underneath the headband then there'll be a couple eyes. So we'll start by drawing the right eye here. So just an almond shape, slight curve, and the bottom curve then will be more pronounced, just like that. And we'll do the same on the left side, slight curve, and the bottom curve will be more pronounced again, more curved. So now we're pretty much done. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna thicken some of these other lines and start putting in our shadows. So there's gonna be a big shadow here on the bottom right of his face. So starting on this side here, this side line, we'll just go out under the eyes, across, and then curve in to the chin. So this is all going to be black, this is all going to be black, and this part will actually be yellow, but we'll go ahead and thicken some of these lines and also add some shadow here between the eyes. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's a shadow that goes across, goes up, kind of like above the bridge of the nose, goes back down, and then under the eye. Okay, so let's go ahead and blacken all the shadow areas. Alright, so as I mentioned before, I'm gonna go ahead and make these outlines a little bit thicker all around. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is, because the thickness of our Sharpie is a little bit thick, all the sharp pointed areas, I'm gonna take my fine Sharpie and sharpen all those areas. Like here, this needs to be kind of a sharper point, and I'll just touch some of these areas up. So that should pretty much do it. This is our Ninja Fortnite logo done in Sharpie. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.